Hello, my lovely friends. Do you feel like you want to replace the coffee sometimes or all the time? Well then, keep watching this video for a great coffee replacer drink. I used to drink coffee and get very hyper about 2 hours, and then my energy level was really low. All I wanted to do is just sleep. So therefore I have this quick and easy recipe made of cocoa powder, plant-based milk, chia seeds and honey. So let's get started! Okay, so we heat up the milk and we add it to the blender cup. Then we are adding honey to taste. As you can see, I like my power coffee quite sweet. Here again with chia seeds is up to yourself. You could add half a teaspoon or more. And of course the magical cocoa powder. I prefer a teaspoon. Mix them all together in the blender and make sure the chia seeds are crushed properly. If you appreciate this video, consider sharing with friends and family. They also might love this power coffee replacement. And yep, I am very happy with the taste of my coffee. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.